Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, we got too many engines around here and not enough stands, so we had to go get a new one. Hang out, we'll put it together. Gotta love all this styrofoam. Pain in the ass, if you ask me. Get this shit out of the way. All right, let's figure out this puzzle. Got our bolt kit. Like parts for the handle. All right. Stand. So that's gonna go like that. No, it isn't. That's gonna go like that. And that's gonna go like that. Okay. Holes for our casters. These actually aren't too shabby for Harbor Freight. Just like that, pretty easy. A lot easier to work on engines when you got a stand to put them on. Seeing as we got to get into this 428, see what went south with it, we got to have us a stand. Couple more bolts. Lock washer and a nut. It's kind of a nice feature here that this is adjustable. Put our lock nut in here, our lock bolt. Snug it up. All right, that won't go anywhere. Turn this thing up on its back. Tighten up these frame bolts. And she won't go anywhere. While we're at it, put these casters on. Get the bushing, another bushing. Flat washer and a bolt. Let's tilt her up like this. Probably not a real good idea to use an impact. They look like 13s. Nope. 14s. One more bolt, nut, and lock washer. Tilt this up like so. Line her up. Oh, come on now. There. Tighten these down. Two more bolts for the frame. Sorry if that's loud. There, we got our base. Piece of weld. It's just personal preference on my end. I like to put a little grease on this yoke before I put it together. Just multi-purpose, red or clear, even white lithium grease works. Makes it so much easier when you got weight on this thing to rotate it. You don't want a lot. Otherwise you end up with a mess. Just a real thin coat, just like so. Slide her in there, and that'll spin nice and free. Looks like it got me a sliver out of that sucker. Look at that. problem solved. Nice and free when you get a little weight on it. We'll go ahead and put our locking pin in. Cap on the grease before we end up with a mess. And our 4 mounts for the bell housing. Just like so. I like to put the flat washer on the back side here. Makes it slide in and out easier when you're trying to adjust it for your engine. Just leave them hand tight until you're ready to put an engine on it. And our handle. Slide it through. Rubber grips on there. And there you have it, the new engine stand. Tomorrow we'll get the 428 out of the rat rod, get it on the new stand, tear it open and find out what went wrong. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of shit. There's more to come.